Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE washer door lock assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door lock assembly. The door lock assembly locks the washer door. It also tells the washer when the door is closed. The vendor should be changing it out if it's failed and the washer's not running. In order to change the part, we have to open up the washer door. Now that we have the door open, we can take out the outer door boot seal clamp. There's usually a spring down around 6 o'clock. You can just lift up the door boot seal, and we can carefully get underneath it with a small flathead screwdriver. And then carefully pull the clamp out of the groove all the way around. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the washer. Now that we have the clamp off, we can use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws that hold the door lock assembly to the front panel. Once you have the screws out, you can peel this side of the door boot seal off. All you have to do is pull it out of the lip. Once you have the door boot seal out of the way, you can reach in and pull the door lock assembly out. Not going to be able to get it out all the way, but we can pull it out far enough so we can take off the wiring harnesses. Take the lower one off first. There's some locking tabs on the back, so you have to reach around to the back side and press them. Once you have the first one off, we can do the yellow one. It has a button on the back too that you have to press to release. And then the top one, the white one, has a button on the top that you have to press to release. Once you have all the wiring harnesses off, you can pull the door lock assembly off the washer. Here's the old door lock assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new door lock assembly in, we're just going to peel back the door boot seal and grab the wiring harnesses and put them on. Remember, the white was on the top. These can all only go on the right way, so you can't put them on the wrong way. Just make sure they go on and lock in. And the yellow one's in the middle, and the black one's on the bottom. Once you have them all connected, you can slide the door lock assembly up into place. Then we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the screws that hold it to the front panel. Before we put the clamp on, you have to go around and put the door boot seal into the lip. So you just want to go around and make sure it's in the whole way around. Once you have it on, we can put the clamp on. To put it in, we're going to start with the spring down at 6 o'clock. And then work one side of it around until you can't go any farther. And then we're going to take a locking pliers. We're going to grab onto the clamp. And when you pull on it, you want to make sure you pull straight over to the side of the machine, not front. If you pull towards the front, it's just going to pull it out of the groove. So we're just going to pull it over and stretch it out and push it into the groove. Once you have it in place, you can let go of the locking pliers. Once you have it released, we can close the washer door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.